For our last part of our demo, I'm going to show you how we are going to do that beachy lived-in curl look that everybody on the planet wants right now. And I'm going to be showing you my Beaushe Beautiful Bounce Luxurious Hairspray. It's amazing. It's a layered spray. It's a working spray. It's just a really amazing hairspray. It doesn't build up on the hair. It's water soluble, meaning the minute you hop in the shower, it just comes right out of the hair. So it does not, no buildup with this hairspray. So 1 1/4 inch iron, and we're gonna curl her hair away from her face throughout her whole head. So I am going to curl all away from her face. Okay, this is Giselle, everybody. She is a stylist, makeup artist in our salon here, our Beaushe salon. So I am working just throughout her whole head, vertical section throughout her whole head. Okay, so I'm lightly spraying the hair. I won't hold the curl before we curl the hair. So spray the hair before you curl it, okay? Because it's gonna hold better. It's gonna create really good hold. It's gonna create shine. And then we are going to pull down. There you go. I would say hold the curl for about a minute or less. I usually just count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I pull it to myself. Okay, so this part we're gonna flip it. We're gonna go the other way now. So this side we went away, and we're gonna go away on this side too, but I'm just switching. Because another technique we do in the salon too, we'll alternate. We'll do 1 forward, 1 back, 1 forward, 1 back throughout the head. But I'm just showing you a simple lived-in beachy wave. The curl will last probably up to 3 days. It is humidity resistant, so if you live in a state where there is humidity, this is humidity resistant. And this is Rachel's natural color. It's beautiful. She does not color it, if you guys are wondering out there. And I've been doing Rachel's hair for many years now.
Yeah, almost 5.
Yeah, it seems longer. So I'm working away from her face. And don't go too close to the scalp. And just remember, when you start going, just start turning the iron right away. Okay, so let's say like I would like a little bit more height up here for Rachel. So I'm gonna go on the top of her hair here. And this is one of my favorite techniques to do. And I'm just gonna quickly go around her top hair and her crown. Just to lift that up a little bit here. See, so just to give a little bit of height here. Do you see that? Okay. Again, away from her face. Going away, and I move quickly. See, just a little height here. And that's the product, that's my root boost. So people ask me, oh, I love your logo. How do you create the logo? Well, at the time my husband and I were coming up with our name, we love the yin and yang symbol. And basically, Beaushe. So you come in feeling one way, and then you leave feeling another way. So it's how everyone feels using our product. That's how people feel coming to our salon. This is just a really great, luxurious product. So after I curl the hair, I like to go through and just spray again. Look how good this looks. I didn't section her hair because I'm just showing you again a quick little easy beachy wave. So then what I like to do when you're at home, I like you to flip upside down and kind of shake your hair a little bit, just shake it out and then throw it back. So you want to try that? So just lightly shake it. And then I just like to run your hands through it a little bit. I do have a texture spray. I am launching a dry texture spray. This looks so good. It's just not out just yet. Then I like to go through and just piece it out. So the volume line, it's not heavy, it's textured, she has body, it doesn't feel flat. It's alive, it's great. So then I like to go through. Another thing you can do too is spray the product on your hands. Like let's say you get those, everybody gets these little frizzy pieces on top. So I like to just take it on my hands together, and I just go like this. I lay those little babies down. Then I like to go through it. I'm just like separating the curl. Ah, so beautiful. And you can spray as much as you want. You can really like layer it on there. Like you're not gonna feel like you have a ton of hairspray. Okay, and that completes our volume line. To purchase the products featured in this video and more, please visit our online store at BeaucheSalon.com and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.